photos, no problem, just so we don't leave you behind. Second, mind your belongings. Keep your bag zipped and secured. Third is stay hydrated. Please let me know right away if you feel tired or if you want a quick pause. Lastly, please walk on the pedestrian side and be mindful of upcoming vehicles. So I am also here my flag. So if you hear me whistle once with the green flag, it means you are allowed to come around or take a pictures wherever you want. And if you hear me whistle twice with a red flag, it means it's time to gather back. I am also here an emergency kit on hand to ensure safety during our tour. So now I know everyone is excited to see what the city has to offer. Now I will introduce you the Smiling Cove guide, Miss Kyla, who will give you a quick orientation.
So for our quick orientation, our tour today will be taking about SM hours. We will be passing through SM Nana Premier, as well as Cove, Nana Business Park, and lastly the Coastal Road. We will be sharing a story, a fun facts, and a bit history as we go. But before that, we will be doing a quick icebreaker. So since we all walk together, please turn to the person next to you and share your name and the things that you're excited to see and learn today. Great! Now that we all a bit quite familiar, let's begin our journey. And welcome to Davao City. Let's enjoy. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Kyla, your tour guide, and welcome to SM Nana Premier. SM Nana Premier is one of the Davao's pride and one of the largest Mindanao's mall in Mindanao. This isn't just a mall, but it's also a lifestyle destination. Inside, you will see over 270 shops, restaurants, and entertainment spots that all designs are given to the best local and international brands. But what makes SM Nana special? Well, it is a houses of a granary, sky garden, and in the middle of the city. It is also a home of the SMS Convention Center, the largest convention facility in Mindanao. Inside, if you are into movie, you will see also the IMAX theater that perfect for a larger conventions. So next, you will see also the largest fountain. And in evening it comes with light, with a beautiful lighting, colorful, dancing water, and music. It is a spectacular sight that gives everyone a crowd that makes SM Nana that isn't just a shop, but also a places for unforgettable experience. And today I will allow you to give you and then let me allow me to turn you over to guide to Hannah to give you more insight about the next destination.
So good day, tourists. Welcome to Azov Cove, one of Davao's newest lifestyle spots. So today we'll take a short but relaxing walk along its waterfront, dining areas, and recreational spaces. So, as we walk along the waterfront, you'll notice how calm the place feels. You can see the open view of Davao Cove, the open wide spaces, and a fresh sea breeze. Perfect area for morning jog, walking, and just sitting down when life gets stressful. Kung feeling ninyo stress na mo, yun na lang ang hangin. Hoy, ayaw ko, hulag ka. Then, inhale meals. So it's a great spot for a family days, barkada meetups, and even those dramatic self-care buhay or the solo date. If na ako iyak, perfect kayo dili for date night. Pero kung wala, ayaw ko wala ka. Kailang pagkaon dili lamig ng food, maka-move on. Mas lamig ba kaysa sa ex? Now, we're coming to the recreational spaces. This is where people jog, bike, relax, and take photos. There is a wide open spaces where kids can run around, or even the adults can enjoy the some quiet time. It's a simple but refreshing place, perfect to unwind. Pwede may area perfect kayo para mag-exercise. Pero ayaw mo wala pa, dili ni required. Exercise daw ko, pero tanawa ko, wala gihapon ko ka-start. After I end our short walk, I hope you enjoyed this quick look of the Azuela Cove. Whether you want to talk, whether you want to walk, take photos, and Azuela gives you a perfect place to relax. Kung ganahan mo maglaag, pwede na kaayo mo bike diri anytime. Pero ayaw mo kulit yung na, kay dili ko taga Azuela. Tour guide ako diri, pero heart rub ko sa amo pala. I hope you enjoyed this picture ng buhay o Manila.
So good day everyone. Welcome to the Ghana Business Park, also known as Davao IT Park, the rising business and technology hub here in Davao City. This is where you can find the BPO companies, modern offices, and of course the employees powered by coffee and pure determination. So, kaya kung dili sila magpagawa sa strategy, kasi sila mismo ang i-isolate sa ilang supervisor. So, as you will look around, you will notice that there are BPO companies. This area creates a thousands of jobs and keeps the Davao's economy driving. Employees here are amazing, and they work at night, and in the morning they are sleeping. But still they look okay. Well, okay gamay, pero at least buhit gihapon. So also, Ghana Business Park is also a center of digital innovation. Businesses here focus on technology, creativity, and online solutions. This is perfect place for the companies for growth, as long as the Wi-Fi doesn't act up. Kay kung dili bisa kasi dahil sa target of oy, ang router ayaw sa kubiyahe. This district strengthens Davao's competitive urban economy. Investors love this here because environment is safe, organized, and developed.
Alright, travelers, good morning once again. Before we proceed with our next, last hotspot, I'd like to commend everyone for staying wide awake despite the time you guys just had earlier alongside my cameras just right there. Alright, so let's see how into our next hotspot, which is the Davao City Coastal Road. I'd like to inform everyone that this place was actually opened way back on July 1, year 2023, and with a total measure of 17.8 kilometers. The Davao City Coastal Road isn't just actually a road where vehicles can just pass by, because it actually acts as a surge barrier and coastal protection. The project was actually built to aim and to ease the traffic congestion, because traffic is indeed one of the setbacks that we are facing here as Davao here in Davao City. And also, the Davao Coastal Road was actually a hotspot in which Davaoans could actually make use of or visit, to jog, walk, breathe the fresh air that comes from the ocean. Kabalo ba mo guys na every time when I go here as well, I myself as Davaoan, not just to breathe, but also to relax and make, magmuni-muni, most especially when I am, overloaded with so many things. So, as for me, Davao City Coastal Road is actually one of the places that, that is peaceful and eco-friendly for all of the Davaoians to come and visit. So, summing everything up for this trip, as well as the Land Premier, Land Business Park, and Davao Coastal Road, together showcase the rapid urban growth of Davao City. This destination blends commercial development, leisure spaces, and improved infrastructure, creating a more vibrant, accessible, and investor-friendly environment. As these areas continue to rise, they're actually not just representing the ravishing face of Davao City, but also they are strengthening the position of Davao City as well